Hello everyone, welcome back to Sun Boutique. I am Rekha. Hi Lata ma'am, good evening. Hello everyone, welcome back to Sun Boutique. I am Rekha. Hope all of you are doing good. In today's episode, we will be seeing pure soft silk sarees, handloom soft silk sarees in beautiful color combination and very reasonably priced. Hi Kirtana ma'am, good evening. Hope all of you are doing good. Thank you for joining the live. Kirtana ma'am, I'm good. How are you ma'am? Hi Bhavi ma'am. Yes Lata ma'am, you are first. Thank you for joining. So how to place the order? To place the order, you have to just take the screenshot of the product and WhatsApp us on the WhatsApp number. The number has been given in the description. We have given the link of the WhatsApp number in the description. Thank you Kirtana ma'am. Thank you so much. It's all hand-picked collection. So we are working out on it for you guys, especially for you guys. Hi Priyanka ma'am. How are you? Thanks for joining the live. So we not only ship all over India, we ship throughout the world. So we do ship globally. To make today's episode special, we are giving free shipping all over India. And international shipping will be extra. Thank you Kirtana ma'am. Thank you so much. So let's wait for some people to join. So any saree that you order today, shipping will be free. And it is all very reasonably priced. And the color combinations are beautiful. Very different color combination. You are spending time on us, so we have to give you best collection and best price. So that is what we are working on. Do share the live and support Sun Boutique. To start off with, today we have the first saree. It's a beautiful pink soft silk saree, pure handloom soft silk saree. It's a beautiful pink with black combination with gatti jari on either side of the saree. You can see. And overall saree, it has got nice mango buttas. It's a beautiful color. And this is how the pallu looks. It's got nice geometrical shapes with mangoes in it. And this is the blouse of the saree. It's a plain blouse with the border. The price of the saree is 6,999. It's just 6,999. All the sarees that you are seeing today are double warp sarees. It's a beautiful pink with black combination. Soft silk saree. This is how the pallu looks. You can take the screenshot. So the prices will be valid only for 24 hours. It's the special price we are giving for our customers today, especially for live customers. You can start booking it. Thank you for the support you are giving us in previous lives. Beautiful handloom soft silk saree in pink and black combination, priced at 6,999. So the next one is again a beautiful color combination, black with Rama green with all over chakra motifs, weaving design throughout the saree and gatti jari on either sides of the saree. It's a beautiful saree, you can see, and the motif is also very close. It is, they have given it very close, and this is how the pallu looks. It's a dual shade, Rama green with parrot green shade. It's a different color with overall weaving, with a plain blouse and the border. The price of the saree is 6,999. You can take the screenshot. The prices are valid only for 24 hours. Next one is another beautiful color. It's a sky blue with lemon yellow combination. Wow! Isn't it beautiful? Hi Selvavardhini. It's a beautiful saree, sky blue with lemon yellow combination. All the combinations that we are showing today are different, with mango and buttas all over the saree. It's a silver zari weaving. This is how the pallu looks. The concept itself is very different. This is how the pallu looks, with mango weaving throughout the pallu. With a plain lemon yellow pallu blouse. You can take the screenshot. The price of the saree is 6,999. It's a beautiful color combination. Blue with yellow color combination. Yet another beautiful color combination. It's a nice coffee brown with Rama green contrast. It's a pure handloom soft silk saree, double work sarees, priced at 6,999 only. You can take the screenshot. It has got nice buttas all over the body, leaf buttas, and golden zari weaving borders on either sides of the saree. This is how the pallu looks. It's a beautiful pallu with overall golden zari weaving. It's a Rama green pallu with a contrast Rama green blouse, plain blouse. Wow! The color combination is amazing. Hi Srimati ma'am, good afternoon. This is another beautiful color combination that we have for today. It's a lemon yellow with coffee brown. Lemon yellow with coffee brown. Handloom pure soft silk sarees, priced at 6,999 only. Throughout the saree it has got nice checks zari weaving, silver zari weaving, golden zari weaving. You can see. Hi Prema ma'am. So throughout the saree it has got nice checked golden zari weaving, and the pallu is a coffee brown pallu with a beautiful design over it and checks pattern. with a contrast plain coffee brown blouse with the border. The price of the saree is 6,999. You can take the screenshot. It's a beautiful color combination. So to make this life even more special, all over India we are giving free shipping today. The next one is Vadamali color. It's a nice beautiful color with Rama green combination. This is how the pallu looks with mangoes and gatti zari design. Throughout the saree you've got nice leaf buttas. It's again a soft silk, handloom pure soft silk sarees, double warp sarees. You can take the screenshot. The price of the saree is 6,999. It's a beautiful saree. The plain contrast blouse. So this is again a borderless soft silk saree in a beautiful color combination. It's a kind of cream shade with meena work throughout the saree and golden zari weaving. It's a beautiful color, something very different. And this is how the pallu looks. Hi Devika ma'am, thank you for joining the live. Lata ma'am, thank you ma'am. We always try to give you best quality, not try to give you, we always give you best quality. Thank you for the compliment ma'am. So this is how the pallu looks. It's a rich pallu and it's a borderless saree. 6,999. The price of the saree is 6,999 again with a plain blouse. It's all double warp, pure soft silk sarees. Hi Maheshwari ma'am. It's a beautiful saree. You can take the screenshot. It's a borderless one. Next one is again a pink shade. It's a nice bright pink with overall geometrical weaving throughout the saree with gatti jari on either sides and navy blue pallu with beautiful design. This is how the pallu looks. Hi Vidya ma'am. Hi Harshita ma'am. This is how the pallu of the saree looks with a plain contrast blouse. The price of the saree is 6,999 again. It's a beautiful saree. The prices are valid only for 24 hours. It's a special price only for our live customers. And we give free shipping. You can take the screenshot of the saree. Next one is a copper sulphate blue with pink combination. It's again a pure handloom soft silk saree. It's the color in the previous one. Same design with a different color, that's it. And this is how the pallu looks. It's a nice bright pink pallu with a plain contrast blouse. Price of the saree is 6,999. Don't miss this chance. It's a beautiful color combination. Just 6,999. All the sarees are very rich. Next one is a beautiful parrot green with grey combination with golden and silver zari weaving throughout the sari. I hope you can see it is mango buttas, silver and golden weaving throughout the saris for just 6,999. It's a grey pallu with square designs all over the pallu and mangoes, and plain blouse with the border. Santu sir, the price of the saree is 6,999. It's a beautiful soft silk in different color combination at just 6,999 only. Next we have a plain soft silk saree with Ganga Jamuna border on either sides. On the one side you have nice bright pink border with checks and zari border. On the other side it is blue, royal blue with pink checks over it. It's a Ganga Jamuna concept for 6,600. And the pallu is also very rich. This is how the pallu looks. It's a contrast pallu with a plain blouse, plain contrast blouse. The price of the saree is 6,600 only. The prices are valid only for 24 hours. You can take the screenshot. You can feel the richness of the saree. It is a Ganga Jamuna border for just rupees 6,600. You can take the screenshot. Prema ma'am, I'll try to be loud ma'am. So it's a beautiful parrot green plain body with Ganga Jamuna border. Wow. It's a beautiful color combination. How rich it is. It's a beige with golden shade. This is also again a Ganga Jamuna concept with yellow border on the top with green checks. On the other side it is a parrot green with yellow checks and rich pallu and a plain blouse. So this is the blouse. It's a plain blouse with the border. It's a beautiful color, classy range. You can see, you can feel the richness of the saree at just rupees 6,600. Next one is a navy blue with pink and green combination. One side you've got pink border with blue checks, on the other side you've got green border with pink checks and zari border on both the sides. It's a nice navy blue plain sari with a Ganga Jamuna border and a rich pallu, rich contrast pallu. Rich contrast pallu and a plain blouse with the border. The price of the saree is 6,600. Thank you for the support. It's a beautiful saree for 6,600. Wow. Don't miss this chance, guys. Please take this screenshot. and start placing your orders. Another beautiful color, traditional combination. It's a mango yellow with pink border on the one side. On the other side you have got nice royal blue border, and it has got checks pattern on both the sides. Ganga Jamuna means it has one side you will have one color border and the other side you will have a different color border, ma'am. Subhadra ma'am, it is a two colored border sari is called Ganga Jamuna border. It's a name given to that kind of sari. And this is how the pallu looks. It's a rich pallu and a plain blouse with a golden jari border. Priced at 6,600. It's a beautiful traditional combination. You can take the screenshot. Next one is another classy color. It's a baby pink with bright pink border on one side and blue border on the other side. Priced at 6,600. Isn't it beautiful? How is the color combination? It's a beautiful color combination with a contrast pallu and a plain blouse. This is how the blouse looks, and a rich contrast pallu. Priced at 6,600 only. You can take the screenshot. It's a beautiful sari. Next one is another designer concept. For the sari, overall sari, it is a nice plain royal blue, and for the border it has got nice checks. The size of the border is big one. It is something like a half and half, and checks zari weaving and animal zari weaving throughout the border. It's a royal blue with bluish green combination. It's a beautiful sari. This is how the pallu looks. It's a rich pallu. And a contrast blouse with golden jari. It's a beautiful sari. Priced at 8,800. 8800. You can take the screenshot. We have another color combination. It's a nice green with blue, royal blue combination. Same concept with a big checked zari border, something like half and half, with zari checks and animal motifs for the border. Priced at 8,800. With the rich pallu, geometrical pallu, and this is how the blouse looks. Lines. You can use this for the sleeves. Price of the saree is 8,800. The next color in the same concept. It's nice tomato pink with blue combination. is how the border looks. Again a checked border with animal motifs. It's a beautiful saree with a rich pallu and a contrast blouse. The price of the saree is 8800, 8800. You can take the screenshot and place your order on the number given in the description. The next concept that we have for you today is again a soft silk saree with overall checks. Throughout the saree you have got check pattern. It is not jari checked, it is a contrast thread checked. It is a grey with pink combination saree with pink checks throughout the body, and this is how the border looks with a contrast pallu, contrast rich pallu and the blouse. Price of the saree is 6900. Just for 6900. It's a beautiful saree. This is how it looks. Next one is same concept in a light pink with blue combination. Throughout the saree you have got checks weaving. This is how it looks. And this is the border for the saree with a contrast blue and zari border. And nice mustard yellow also. And this is the pallu of the saree. It's a rich pallu with a plain blouse. This is how the blouse looks. The price of the saree is 6900. You can take the screenshot. Next one is a royal blue with pink combination with the check pattern throughout the saree and nice contrast pink pallu border and contrast pink pallu. It's a rich jarigai pallu and a contrast blouse. Price of the saree is 6900 only. You can take the screenshot. The next one is a royal blue with a reddish pink combination. Throughout the saree you have got nice peacock buttas, and for the border it is a reddish pink border with jarigai border on either sides with a rich pallu, golden zari woven pallu. It's a beautiful pallu with a plain contrast blouse. Price of the saree is 6900, 6900. It's a beautiful saree. 69 check pannu. The next one is again a royal blue with the light blue border. Throughout the saree it has got nice golden and silver zari weaving with the diamond shaped motif. For the border also you have got nice diamond shaped weaving. And this is how the pallu looks. It's a silver zari woven pallu. With a plain contrast blouse. 9,300. Price of the saree is 9,300. It's a beautiful color combination. Price for 9,300. And the saree. The one which I showed previously, blue with pink combination, it is also priced at 9,300. It is not 6,999. The price of the saree is 9,300. The next one is again a parrot green with grey combination. Throughout the saree you have got nice checked weaving, silver zari checked weaving. And for the body you have got nice floral and parrot buttas. Alternatively with thread and golden zari weaving. For the border it has got nice checked zari weaving. And this is how the pallu looks. It's a rich pallu, priced at 9,300, with a plain contrast blouse, grey blouse, and the border. It's a beautiful saree in different color combination. Hi Deepti ma'am. You see, the saree is very beautiful with silver and golden zari weaving and thread work, buttas and golden zari buttas, priced at 9,300. In the same concept we have one more color. It's a nice green with blue shade border with blue checks weaving all over the saree and parrot motif throughout the saree. Alternatively thread weaving and golden zari weaving. And this is how the pallu looks. It's a contrast rich pallu and a plain blouse with the border. The price of the saree is 9,300. It's a beautiful color combination. Priced at just rupees 9,300. The last one. So this is the last one for the day. It's again a royal blue with purplish pink border. The border itself is very rich with florals throughout, floral zari weaving throughout the border and temple weaving. I hope you can see it is a temple weaving with floral zari weaving border, and throughout the saree you have got nice buttas with a rich pallu, contrast pallu and a plain blouse. Price of the saree is 8,999. 8,999. It's a beautiful saree. This is how it looks. The speciality of this saree is the border with the temple weaving and floral weaving in silver zari. Price of the saree is 8,999. Next one. This is the last for the saree for the day. It's a pure Kanjivaram handloom silk saree with turning border on either sides and mango buttas throughout the saree with a contrast pallu with silver zari weaving and a plain contrast blouse with the border. For the border you've got nice gatti jargai and peacock motifs with some kodi patterns. It's a beautiful color combination. 10,999. 10,999. The price of the saree is 10,999. It's a beautiful color combination. Don't miss this. With the silver zari weaving. It's a pure handloom Kanjivaram silk saree. It is not a soft silk saree. It is a pure handloom Kanjivaram silk saree in beautiful color combination. I hope you all liked our collection today. Thank you for joining the live. Do share the live and support Sun Boutique. To place the orders, take the screenshot of the product and WhatsApp us on the number given. And also, we are giving free shipping on today's orders. The prices are valid only for 24 hours. We not only ship all over India, we ship throughout the world, all over the world. For international shipping, shipping charges will be extra. So, we'll meet you again with a beautiful set of collections in the next live. Until then, signing off from this live. Thank you.